As for her second hadith, lying is prohibited in Islam and it is sinful. Yet the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, that there are three places or situations that is permissible for a person to resort to lie. One of them is a man or a spouse lying to his or her spouse. What kind of lies? You see, today is Sunday, it's poker night, and I tell my wife, listen, I have to work late in the office and we have a new shift and I may not make it except at 3 or 4 a.m. So don't wait for me for dinner. You just tuck yourself to bed and go to sleep. And I go with the boys to play cards or to spend time together without informing my wife. This is haram. This is a lie. What kind of a lie is permitted between the spouses? The type that increases love. So if my wife comes out and says to me, do you think this new dress fits me or it's too tight? Instead of breaking into laughter and saying, is this yours or your granddaughter's dress? You're going to tear it into pieces. What is this? You're so big and huge for it. It should come in a family size. This is not good for you. What would happen? Probably a swollen eye for 5 days because of her punch. Maybe not being able to have lunch and dinner for 3-4 days, and not being able to communicate with her for another 6 months. Well deserved. Here I have to lie. So I would look in her and say with great love and acting ability that, subhanallah, I don't know which is making which more beautiful. Is it the dress that's making you charming and beautiful, or are you making the dress looks beautiful and attractive? This would give you a free pass for another 6 months, akhi. So this is the kind of lying that is permissible. Now, you have to weigh the pros and cons, and it's up to your preference and judgment. If you feel that if you were to tell your husband that you had worked out, and he would be envious, be jealous, be sad, he can't do that, and his love to you won't make him overcome such negative feelings, you can lie. There's no problem in that. But if, no, you know that he cares for you and he encourages you and he wants you to work out more than he would have done, and he would not have any ill feelings, in this case, lying would not be permissible, and Allah knows best.